In this video, I'm going to show you how to send one-time view pictures on Snapchat. Just open up your Snapchat app, then just go ahead take a picture. And as you can see at the bottom right, there is a clock here. Just go ahead, click on it, and then choose how many seconds you want this picture to be viewed. You can see that there is 10 to 5 to 3 seconds. You can choose whatever you want. In my case, I am going to choose 5 seconds. Then as you can see, the clock here has 5 seconds. Then go ahead, click on send to and choose your contact. And then any contact you choose, if they go ahead, open up your picture, it's only going to be opened for 5 seconds. So this was how to send one-time view pictures on Snapchat. This was an easy and quick process video. As always, thank you for watching.